Now, guess who is dishing up the dishes for free? Okay, the drinks for free. Our very own beloved Jailbad Ntutuka. He is dishing out the drinks and saying that it's in the house, baby. And I'm asking myself, now I drink and I'm thinking, does the party know Uguti Law, who was given a second chance, is now dishing out the drinks for free? Or maybe is he paying them? Because Asaz, is just a nice boy. He's just a nice boy who can do anything for love. So ngiyasibuza nje ukuthi ugayi mhlawumbe uyayibhadarela le drink or kanjani or zikhipha bomawathi. I don't know what is going on, but again, let's just hope and pray ukuthi he is paying for this drink, because remember he was given a second chance, plus nakhona he's coming from jail. So if he messes this one up, then is over theft again, so which is like is a big problem for him. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal Ndima Dekwana Sanbonan Abshini Molweni Minjani. If we're gonna hingongwina, so namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Scandal hikumakurusha tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mama Poet has met the ex-boyfriend who impregnated her so that she can have a Poet. It looks like this guy does not even know that Poet is his son, and Mama Poet Utwerisi Pirisene and still hoping to tell Poet who is his father. According to Poet, his father ran away while he was young. He didn't care. He was a loser of a father. And now it looks like this guy did not even know that he had a son. Matabela le Mapoet decided that Boira Kupecha Marama. Speaking of Kupecha Marama, Sanka is wanted and the sister is in the building. This sister is playing hard to get. Okay, not hard to get, but she's getting all the attention from the bosses. And it's a problem for the supervisor. Hi, Tintswalo is the supervisor. Yes, she is very upset about that situation. Why unyonyoba the bosso? Why uba busy the bosso? Because you're supposed to be leaving your personal issues at home. But no, she is nailing on the nail, saying that no, I'm the one that is cheated. Now is a problem. Like she's bringing the Sanka story to herself as if she's the one that has cheated. But we all know she's talking about Sanka and everything that has happened between Lady Boss and Sanka. And Lady Boss, she's taken aback. And then at some point, I was at Sanka and I was asking, oh, boss, did I overstep by any chance? In my mind, I'm like, girl, press that gear. You're about to get the truth. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. And remember to subscribe.